So tonight we are doing spiny lobster tails, and we're going to do them on the barbecue grill. I had the fishmonger split or butterfly them for me. I put a little salt on them. I'm going to just sprinkle some Chinese 5-spice on there, and we will put them right on the grill. I'm going to come over here. I've actually got a piece of swordfish going already over there. And this is pretty easy, except that you can see I've got art projects all over the place. And a broken foot, so it's always a little interesting. But I'm going to put these just directly on the grill. They are going to cook 6 minutes on this first side. Put the grill lid down for a little bit, and then we'll turn them over to the other side. Okay, so it's been 6 minutes on this side. I brushed the tops with just a little bit of canola oil. And I am just going to flip them over. All right, and 2 more minutes on that side, and they are going to be done. All right, that was super easy. They come right off the grill. No problem at all. And we're going to pair it with a sauce. I usually do some shallot, ginger, lime, and butter. It's going to be delicious. Yummy?
Yeah.
It's like the swordfish or the sweet potato fries the best? Sweet potato fries.